Okay, so I'm going to show you how to do the basic shape assignment in Adobe Illustrator. Okay, so I'm going to use my shape tool, which is located right here, and I'm going to select my rectangle first. So I am going to need to change the color before I begin. So up here, I'm going to go ahead and choose a color, and I can add a stroke to it if I want to. Actually, let's go ahead and Adobe Illustrator lets us do colors that are a little bit more fun. So let's go ahead and do a gradient. And I'm going to give it a stroke. Let's go ahead and go with red and increase that size to 2. And I'm going to go ahead and draw out my shapes. So I'm going to hold the shift key. So that if I don't hold the shift key, I get a rectangle. So I'm going to hold the shift key and copy this. So an alternative in Illustrator to copy is holding the Alt key and clicking and dragging. I need to select it again. So click and drag and click and drag. So you need 5 shapes, 5 squares, 5 perfect squares. And I'm going to go ahead and align them. So I'm going to drag across all of them. And the alignment tool for Illustrator is up here. So this is my horizontal align. This is my vertical align. This is my distribute centers. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and align them vertically and distribute my centers horizontally. So let's go ahead and go like this. We're going to use the distribute left. We're going to do the distribute center. Okay, those are my squares, and I'm going to go ahead and draw out a rectangle. So I need to change my color because Adobe Illustrator does not automatically change the color for you like vector. And then the next thing it asks me to do is to draw out the circles. So let's go ahead and do the circles. I'm going to change that color before I proceed. Using my direct select tool, I'm going to go ahead and click on it, hold Alt and drag out to make 5 circles. I need to, I need to resize these, smallest to largest. So you need to hold the shift key and pull in from the center to keep that perfect circle. All right, let's go ahead and distribute the centers, align them perfectly. Let's go ahead and resize these ones. And redistribute them. And let me draw out my oval, not holding shift. Change the color. All right, and then I'm going to go ahead and save this one. So to save it, you're going to go to File, Export, Export As, change it to a PNG file and rename it Shapes. And this is going to save to your Documents folder. We need to change where it saves. So we're going to locate our U drive, which is here. Right here. This is my U drive. And you're going to name it Shapes, and you're going to hit Export. Hit OK. And now to access your U drive from your computer, I will do another video on how to do that.